this video, I'm going to show you step by step and top websites to get free logo mockup. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to get 3D logo mockup for free. So with that being said, so let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post free stuff like this, you'll be notified. So let's get started. So the very first website I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to come to my address bar right here, and you can see the URL on blast.com. Let's see. So getting to the site, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, make use of their search engine and type in logo mockup, 3D logo mockup. Okay, so type in 3D logo mockup and search. All right, so you can see right here, all these mockup here are free 3D logo mockup. So you can scroll down and download any one of your choice and use it for your next design. All right, so this is what I have for you as far as unblast.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another website right here. So another website I have for you is goodmockups.com. Let's check it out. So getting to this site, all you have to do is to make sure you scroll down, and for you to get 3D logo mockup, you can make use of their search engine search result right here. So I click on search result, then you have to type in 3D logo mockup, 3D logo mockup. So you're going to see the results right here. Just click on search. So you can scroll down and see more results. So these are all 3D logo mockup that you can download and use. All these are free logo mockup. So you can scroll down, then they have about 1 to 47 pages for this 3D logo mockup. So you can scroll down and then continue to check on any one of your choice right here, and you go ahead and download it all for free. So this is what I have for you as far as goodmockups.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another website for free 3D mockup. So the next one right here is mockuptrees.com. So let's check it out. So getting to the site, you can also scroll down and then you're going to see a lot of mockup. And for you to get 3D logo mockups, all you have to do is to come to the search right here, click on this search icon, and type in 3D logo mockup. And search. Then you can scroll down and you're going to see 3D logo mockup for free that you can download. So you can see them right here. All right, so this is what I have for you as far as mockuptrees.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another website where you can get 3D logo mockup. So I'm going to create a new tab right here. So another website you are going to use for free 3D logo mockup is graphicloud.net. So getting to this particular site, you can easily scroll down and you see more free stuff as far as graphic free stuff is concerned. So for this site, for you to get 3D logo mockup, what you need to do is to make sure you make use of their search engine right here, and make sure you type in 3D logo mockup. And click on search. So you can see right here they have about 45 plus 3D logo mockup PSD free download for branding. So you can scroll down and see all 3D logo mockup they have on this particular website. And for you to get all this mockup, what you need to do is to just click on the link right here, and all the mockup is going to load up. Then once it's loaded up, then you can scroll down and then you can see all the 3D logo mockup they have right here. So you can see them. You can scroll down and see more and more. Okay. So for you to download anyone right here, just click on download button right here, and your download folder is going to be prepared. So this is what I have for you as far as top websites to get 3D logo mockup for free. Step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got follow for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to share this video to your loved one. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post free stuff like this, you'll be notified. So thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.